high. You're 6 inches over the top. That was off the side. There you go. Lock it up. There you go, right at the bottom. Remember, if the target, not remember, I can tell you, the target's this way to me a little bit this way. Leading edge, a little bit in. If I try and go over here, I'm going to miss. Leading edge. When we do off angles here later on, if I'm shooting him here, I'm not going to shoot that side, his right. I'm going to shoot his left. I want that bullet to go, boom, big meat part right there.
So you want to line your dot or your front fly post right on the edge, the near side edge?
If I'm shooting an edge, if I'm shooting a front post like you are here, I'm going to put that post right here on his body right there. Yeah, he's cycling this way to me. He's sideways this way? Well, he's this way, yeah. So I'm going to put it going this way, a little bit here, right there.
Okay.
About halfway, that first half. Not the last half, first half.
Right, okay.
Dot, put a whole dot size over it. All right, one more time, ready? Good! One more time, good!